Click on the link below to get price. The Champion Power Equipment 1500 watt portable generator with CO shield is an impressive piece of technology that excels in providing reliable power for a variety of needs. With its lightweight design, weighing in at just over 39 pounds, this generator is highly portable and easy to transport, making it an ideal choice for camping trips, tailgating, or emergency power outages at home. One of the standout features of this generator is the innovative CO shield technology. This safety feature automatically shuts down the generator when it detects dangerous carbon monoxide levels, offering peace of mind to users, especially in enclosed spaces. This is particularly valuable for those who may not have extensive experience with generators, as it minimizes health risks. The generator operates quietly, producing only 58 dBA, which is comparable to the sound of a normal conversation. This makes it suitable for use in residential areas without causing a disturbance to neighbors. With a peak output of 1500 watts and a rated output of 1200 watts, it can power essential devices such as lights, phones, and even small appliances, making it versatile enough for both outdoor and indoor use. The generator features two 120V outlets and a 12V automotive outlet, providing flexibility for various charging needs. Additionally, the built-in carrying handle adds to its portability, allowing for easy maneuvering during outings or while storing it in a garage. Another positive aspect is its fuel efficiency. The 0.7-gallon tank provides up to 11.5 hours of runtime at a quarter load, which is impressive and reduces the need for frequent refueling. The generator also comes with a 3-year limited warranty and free lifetime technical support, emphasizing the manufacturer's commitment to customer satisfaction. Overall, the Champion Power Equipment 1500 watt portable generator with CO shield is an excellent choice for anyone seeking a compact, safe, and efficient power source for emergencies or recreational activities. Its combination of portability, safety features, and user-friendly design makes it a worthwhile investment.